Hello, Mrs. Schaefer here. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk about what you can do to help you fix up your grades. Remember to get credit for each semester. You need to bring your course grade to above 60%. 60% or better is required in high school to earn credit for your course. The first thing that you're going to want to do is determine which assignments are missing. You can do that through your grades tab. Which assignments are missing and which have the most points? Focus on any assignment, quiz, or test that has the most points. The practice quizzes or the daily attendance quizzes, those will help your grade, but they will not significantly impact your grade as much as a lab or an assignment, a test or unit assignment, unit test. So write down all of your assessments and their points, and you can use in the course the spreadsheet that I provided for you for all of the grades in the Grade Helps tab. So record your grades, figure out which ones are below 70%, restudy for those assessments. Make sure to use the review recording or the Edpuzzle recordings, the Quizlet to help you out. You do want to do better as you take the energy to redo something. Remember, your goal is to improve your score. That means that you're going to need to study more to get a better grade, especially as there has been some time between the attempts. You're going to forget things. You need to review them. Always work on those highest point values first. What happens if you're a late ad or maybe you just didn't take the time you needed for your assessments and you need another attempt? Well, send an email and request another attempt. Explain to me what you're going to do different and why the 3 attempts were not enough for you. There's an example, here on the board that you could use for an explanation to help you out. So let me show you some of the items in your course to help you check your progress and monitor how things are going. In the Progress tab, you will find that there is quite a bit of information. It will give you your overall grade, but then it will give you a lot of details. When you click on that summary, you can go in and see each of the categories and how many points you have for each of them. Now, this is for an older class, it's for a biology class, and it has a different setup, but the same thing applies. You'll see the categories with your overall grade, the percentage of what the category is, and then also the last time you worked in it. So to figure out what any of the items are, you'll click on this caret and it will face downwards, and then you can see specific information. Remember, you're looking for those missing assignments first. You're looking for grades below 70%. You can also then click on this or any of these other tabs to get more details. So here's one of them. The quiz tab is another great one that will help you. You can go in and look at your quiz score. You'll see the score Here, the percentage range, if you click on this details, it will give you some more information. It will also tell you how many attempts you've taken out of how many. And then it will also give you an end date for when this assignment closes, and then you can no longer complete any work on that. If you have a low grade, think about why. Why do you have a low grade on that? And then what can you do to fix it? I recommend going through the PowerPoints, the recordings, the textbooks, the help videos, whatever you need to review the material. You can also go into the assignments tab and you will see some feedback for your assignments there. If there's a rubric, you can click on the rubric. You'll also see your submitted assignment and when you submitted it. So all that information is there. You can use this feedback, download this assignment again, fix it up, turn it back in, and try to improve your grade. For unit assessments in the class announcements, you'll see something like this, a picture like this with a retake link, or it will take you to the toolkits, and then you can click on whichever unit assessment you need to retake. And in those, one of the options is, because you'll see Quizlet, and you'll see the review sheet, and some activities for you to complete. You'll also see an Edpuzzle. And the Edpuzzle, I really recommend you go through it. The questions are very similar to those that you've taken on the test. It will start with a recording and it will ask you to answer some questions, and that you will get specific feedback. You can use Edpuzzle as a guest, or you can join for free. As a member, the only difference is that it will save your scores and your place. It's up to you. But you would go through, take the Edpuzzle, collect the information, take notes on what you learned, and then go back into the course and retake a unit assessment. There are many helps for you in the course. You can find some student resources. Here's the course overview and grade help. There's also right here a semester calendar where you'll find all the PowerPoints and one of the recordings linked in to that document. You can see that there is a Quizlet folder and a word wall folder, in the sense that for the whole semester, there's going to, for every chapter, be a Quizlet and a word wall. You can get both of those links right from the beginning. You can also find some of the links down here in the review session or at the beginning, so that the word wall will be at the beginning of the unit, and the Quizlet, I believe, is linked into the review sheet, but they're in there either at the beginning or the end. There's this review sheet for each chapter. This is extra credit. This is how you can learn and practice taking notes. It's a scholar skill that you're working on, is to be able to take notes in your classes. This will help guide and direct your notes and show you the most important things to remember for your course. You also have your textbook. You'll see these, unit introduction, course introduction, things like that. This is all your textbook. All the labs, quizzes, everything is in this textbook under the content tab. And you can just navigate around by using, on the left, these little folders. It's kind of like a filing cabinet system, where you click on it and it will open up and it will show you the lessons and assignments in each unit. Then you'll see that there are some video helps, some reading helps, a lot of information. So you do not have to do it alone. There is a lot of help available to you. You just have to open it up and use it. If you have any questions or concerns, then you can definitely ask. If something's not working right, then let me know. But I know you can do it. You can keep on working slowly and consistently, and I'll know you get the credit that you deserve for your effort. And that will turn into high school graduation credit. You can do it. Just keep trying, keep working, attend those help sessions, attend tutoring sessions, attend Class Connect sessions. Be following along and giving it your best each and every day. Have a great day. Know that I believe in you and that you can. And we will see you next time.